How to use Live Listen on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Live Listen on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, we need to add the hearing option to your control center. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Control Center. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of controls that you can customize. If you're using a version below iOS 18, you'll need to manually add the hearing option. Tap the plus icon next to hearing to add it to your control center. Once you've added hearing to your control center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, or swipe up from the bottom, depending on your iPhone model, to open the control center. You'll see the hearing icon. It looks like an ear. Tap on it and you'll see the Live Listen option. Simply tap Live Listen to turn it on. Now that Live Listen is enabled, your iPhone will act as a microphone, streaming audio directly to your AirPods or other compatible hearing devices. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.